afternoon, everyone. Today I will speak about the word happen. 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 Happen, its infinitive form, it is a verb, and its infinitive form is to happen. Okay? Its infinitive form is to happen. Its synonyms, which means the words that have the same meaning, are occur, to occur. Okay, first synonym, occur, take place, arrive, come, arise, etc. Okay, so the synonyms of the verb to happen are to occur, to take place, to arrive, to come, and to arise. Okay, happen is a very important word in terms of time, space, and actions or events, because it is the link between the dream or the imagination and reality, between something that doesn't exist and its existence. So the first time it appears or the time we hear about it. Okay? You can use happen and its synonyms to talk about events or actions that took place in the past. Okay? And for example, we can ask the question, what happened, for example, what happened in 1066? You see the verb happen? What happened in 1066? The answer would be in 1066, William the Conqueror, who is the Duke of Normandy, won the Battle of Hastings. Okay? So you can use the word happen to talk about the past. You can use also the word happen to talk about the habits, the jobs, okay? Habits, jobs, okay? Job, for example, I am a teacher. This is my job, okay? Job, your hobbies, what you like or dislike, okay? Okay? So, for example, you can say, what happens every Sunday in New Caledonia? What happens every Sunday in New Caledonia? What happens every Sunday in New Caledonia? Every Sunday, what happens? You can answer. Every Sunday, people go to church in New Caledonia. Okay? That's the second point. Third point, you can also use the word happen to talk about actions that are happening now when you're speaking. Okay? So, for example, you can say, when you're talking, you can say, hey, look, the pupils are playing football in the classroom while the teacher is speaking to the headmaster. Okay? While the teacher is talking to the headmaster, the pupils, children, are playing football in the classroom. Okay? So that's the third point. And finally, you can use the word happened to talk about the future, to make a prediction, to say something that would happen in the future. For example, you can say, I heard them talking, and I think that many happy events will happen in this year, will happen this year. Okay? So, in summary, number one, these verbs talk about events that happened in the past using the preterite tense, the preterite tense, number one. Number two, you can use the word happens and its synonyms to talk about the habits, the job, and then you use the simple present tense. Okay. You can also use uh, happen to talk about something that is happening now, and you've got to use the present continuous. The present continuous. In French, you say présent progressif or présent ing. Okay? And number four, you can also use the word happen to make a prediction, to talk about the future. And you can use, usually you use the auxiliary will or shall, okay? In to talk about the future, okay? So, very good. Now, we'll see later then that uh, you can use the word happen to talk about and other aspects or situations using the present perfect, the past perfect, or the conditional mood, etc. Okay, so see you then. Thank you very much. Thank you, Fefe. Bye bye.